Hey guys, welcome to MyAirbags. I'm Eli, and today we are removing the SDM Airbag Control Module on this Chevy Equinox. Make sure you stick around to the end. We'll tell you exactly how to save hundreds on the airbag module and the seatbelts. Now the first step, anytime we're working with the airbag system, whether it's the module, the seatbelts, or the airbags themselves, is to always disconnect the battery. We don't want any power going into the car. So once we have the battery disconnected, next, we're going to start working on the seat, the driver's seat. We have a T50, and we're going to remove these 4 bolts. There's 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Once we have the seat to the side, down here by the acceleration pedal, you'll see this small circular little panel here. You can remove that. And then in here, we have a 7mm. Next, we need to remove this whole side panel here. It's held in by a series of clips. We can start right over here towards the front, apply some pressure, and you'll feel them come right out. Next, we have this bar over here, and it's held in by 3 bolts, 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and we're using a 13 socket. And then in the back here, you'll see these little clips holding it in. You just want to simply disconnect those from the back. And right now, we're right about to get to the module. A lot of people ask us, why do you do videos on modules, how to remove modules, why do I need to replace a module? Here at MyAirbags, that's exactly and specifically what we do, airbag modules and seatbelts. So after an accident, when the car gets into an accident, the airbags deploy, you need to replace the airbags, but the seatbelts and the module, you can actually reset those or professionally get them rebuilt here at MyAirbags. Here at MyAirbags, our customers do save a couple $100s on each order. Every car they do, instead of buying a brand new module for $600-700, they're getting it reset for a fraction of the cost. And same thing goes for the seatbelts as well. And right here, you'll see this little plastic piece with some wires attached to it. You want to go ahead and just disconnect it from the side. Same thing goes for this piece here. At the bottom, it's connected. Now, when we pull this little piece back, you see these yellow plugs right here. These are the plug harnesses that go into the module. At this point, you do want to make sure the battery is disconnected. We don't want any power going to the module at this point. Here at the left side plug here, you want to go ahead and disengage this little red clip here. Once you do that, go ahead and press down on this little indent clip here, and at the same time, go ahead and start moving this black piece over. Once it's over, the plug will come right out. Same thing goes on this side. So here on the front bolt here, I'm using a 10mm socket. This is 1 on the left side, and there's going to be 2 on the other side, 1 in front, 1 in the back. Now this is what the module looks like once you have it out of the car. If you plan on buying a brand new module from the dealership, I highly recommend you check out our website first. This one will go around $600-700 at the dealership. At MyAirbags, we can actually reset this module for around $59 up to $79, depending on the make, year, and model. Now, we can also do the same thing with the seatbelts. The seatbelts on this car, we can rebuild back to its original design and function. So go to myairbags.com and check out the prices for the module reset service and the seatbelt rebuild service.